Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove WordPress from domain name. So to do this is pretty simple. So as you can see here, I'm in WordPress, and to remove the domain and the WordPress or just the WordPress name from the domain, it's pretty simple. So here you have your upgrades. So here I'm in the free plan, and all you have to do is scroll down to domains, and as you can see, my domain name has WordPress on it. So to get rid of this is pretty simple. All you have to do is add your new domain or upgrade to a plan so you can get a domain for yourself. So getting your domain has to be paid. So as you can see right here, my plan is free. I have 1 gig storage, and you can manage your add-ons. So here you want to go with your personal. So this is around $3 per month, or actually, yeah, $3 per month. And here you will get free domain for 1 year. So here all you have to do is go back again, and you want to add a new domain. So you want to search for the domain name that you want. So to just search for tester my name, and let's just search for that. And if it's available right here, you can get your own domain for certain prices. So you'll be able to get this free for the first year with the annual paid plans. So there you go guys, that is how you get rid of your WordPress from domain name, and this is how you replace it. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.